Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have a gardening project to show you. It's the first lawn of the season. We just purchased a new lawnmower. We received it. We're gonna unbox it, assemble it, and then do the first lawn of the season. So with no further ado, let's get started. We first start assembling the machine, and then we're gonna do the lawn. Let's get started. So guys, this is a lawnmower we received. I'll show you around how you look and the specification of the lawnmower. It's a self-propelled one. He moved by himself when you press the button. That makes the lawn easy to do, and the job also easy to do. And yeah, it's a very lovely machine. Now let's unbox it. These are the manuals. You just put at the side. The lawnmower has been assembled. This is how it look. It look nice. Now we're gonna test it by cutting the grass. This will be the first lawn of the season after the long winter. But before cutting the grass, we need to fill the machine with the petrol. I already checked the oil level. The manufacturer already provided the oil in the machine. So we just need to fill now the machine with the petrol. So let's do it now and then cut the grass. So the job is done, and it's very quick because this is a self-propelled, you know. You just need to, when you launch it, you know, you just need to press here so that it's moving by itself. And so it's very powerful work. So this is the first lawn of the year to start the season, and also for this machine. And we assembled it. Now we did the first one also. It looks good. And Thanks guys for watching the video. The project is now completed. It was a simple gardening project. We received the machine, we just assembled it, and then we also wanted to test it to see if it's working properly. So we just did that, and the lawn was well cut, and this is the beginning of the season in terms of the lawning. So thanks again for watching the project, and see you for the next one. Thanks, bye.